Hello everyone, this is my review of Canter Dry Ginger Ale Soda. You could get a nice little six-pack of the soda or have them come in singles or a case. You got the mini bottles here, it makes them easy to pack away for lunch, and it's enough in there that makes it filling. I'll go ahead and open it up so you can see what the soda is like. Canada Dry Ginger Ale has been around for many years. I consider it one go-to brand for drinking smooth, nice, refreshing ginger ale. Uh, Let me pour it out here so you can see it. See how it fizzes up, and it's nice and bubbly, and it's a really good, refreshing drink. And I hope this review helps.